Hello, today I thought I'd be trying this little diamond sharpener out on my Budk Mountain Man knife. After cutting that turkey apart, it went a little dull. So far, not a bad knife. I mean, holds its edge a little bit. Got this packing paper. Let's see if it'll cut into it. Definitely say you could work it out a little bit more. Mostly wanting to tear that paper. Alright. Now let's try it again. You could see ripped it a little bit in this area. Seems like mostly around right here on the blade. Alright, try it again. I think just a little bit more work and that'll be pretty good. It'll have its edge back. That's the little diamond sharpener I use once in a while. Something I picked up on eBay, I believe. There's the Budk Mountain Man knife. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and leave your comments. If you'd like, subscribe to the channel, share this video, and thank you, mate.